What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. My name is Delilah Ferrari if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? In today's video, I want you to follow me through a new skincare routine I've been doing for the past 30 days. I've been searching for the best product for my face for years now, y'all. And if you know my channel is all about beauty, self-care, and lifestyle. My skin matters a lot to me, y'all, and I'm sure your skin matters to you too, okay? Over the years, as I got older, my face started breaking out due to stress and lack of maintenance. I have used several products to help me with my breakout, and there is nothing compared to the product I'm about to put you guys on. I found out about a new skincare company called Your Skincare. I cannot stop telling people about this company, you guys. Your Skincare changed my life so much. I simply love the fact that this company comes with a routine. I find it hard for me to keep up with routines that aren't simply handed to me. If you're just like me and you can't keep up with a routine, but if someone told you exactly what to do, like this company, you're going to love it here, okay? Look at my skin, you guys. My skin is super glowing right now. I have on makeup and I can't believe how easy and flawless my makeup came out today. I'm actually stunned. Like I said before, it is hard for me to stick to a routine, but if a routine is handed to me, I best believe that I'm going to be following that routine every single day. Once you take the quiz online, you automatically feel a connection with this company. They ask you deep questions about your skin and your lifestyle, and then they curate the best formula that will fit your skin. Best believe once you take this quiz, you'll feel super confident on what they're about to give you. Your skin is the next best thing right now, you guys. Don't just do it because I'm telling you about it. You guys, do your own research about this Your Skincare company. They have so much great reviews online and so much people talking good things about them on YouTube alone, and just so many great testimonies about what Your Skincare did to their face, and I am one of them. I love everything about this skincare. What I love most about Your Skincare company is that it has all clean ingredients. It is made in the USA. There are no fillers, parabens, and toxin free. Okay, we're talking about cruelty free, guys. They do not test on animals, okay? And it's made in the USA. Whenever you buy your products, make sure you do your research on it and make sure that it is clean for you, you guys. Don't put any toxins on your face, and make sure Your Skincare company really regimen, I hope I'm saying that right, really regimen with SPF. I make sure I put SPF on almost every day, you guys, especially with this product. When it comes to pricing, I love that they give you two pricing options. For one, this is a 3-month product, so you'll be having this product for 3 months. So I believe that's a long time if you ask me. It's not a small bottle, but it's just enough to last you up to 3 months if you use it every day like you're supposed to. You can either do a one payment of $180, or you could break it down into months and pay $65 a month. That is worth it if you ask me, because when you go into the stores and buy a bunch of products that barely work for you and you see no results, you're wasting your money. But with Your Skincare product, you are not wasting your money, okay? And I am proof. The other girls, the other videos, the reviews, they're all proof, okay? I was breaking out badly all over here, you guys, all up here. And since I put this product on my face the first night, it was so soft, so kind to my skin. I went to sleep, I woke up feeling good, very girly, very just, ooh la la. Like, I don't even want to be dramatic, but I felt great. My skin felt great because my skin was glowing and my skin was soft. My skin had a shine to it, and I love that, you guys. I feel like I went to a spa, or like I went to get a facial and woke up the next day, and then the next night I did the same thing again. You just use a dime size, you guys. You use a little bit onto your face and you look flawless. If you want flawless result, you guys, click on the links down below. I promise you, you won't regret it. They have a free program where if you're not satisfied, you can always reach out to them and they will send you out one for free. So you guys, I give this 100% 10 out of 10, and I recommend this product 100%. So in the next few clips, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to use this product. I did do a 30-day trial using this product, and I am very happy and satisfied with it. But in this video, I will show you guys exactly how it's supposed to be used and what you're supposed to do for the day and what you're supposed to do for the night. I am super happy, and I hope you become happy with this product just as happy as I am. Alright, you guys, so we're going to do a little unboxing video here. I just want to show off the box because this is the prettiest thing I have ever seen, you guys. Look at this. So bomb, so chic. It's the perfect size if you want to put it in your cabinet or in your bathroom, in your room, anywhere, you guys. And then it opens like this. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. So when you open it up, it says the world's most responsive personal skincare. You're kind of confident. That is so beautiful. Then they give you a pamphlet. I love the aesthetics of this card, you guys. On the back of this card, it has a morning routine and a night routine. Today we are going to be doing the morning routine because I just woke up, but I love this. This is so beautiful. The card is a hard card where you cannot toss this away if you do forget the routine. It's something to have and store away. One thing about it is I love a good packaging. If you are purchasing something and it doesn't come in a beautiful, nice wrap packaging like this, then you are not buying from the right place, okay? I want to take the time out to read what's on this paper alone. It says heal. It says customize. It says soothing. It says clean. I just feel like that is important to remind someone that is doing a skincare every day and to remind them that they are using a good product. When you open your box, I love how chic everything is packaged out for you. This is so cute, you guys. I love the fact that it has step-by-step of each regimen. Like this is number 1, then this is number 2, and then this is number 3. And then you have number 4. And then you have number 5. Then it has drug facts on everything that is in this product. It also says that it has sunscreen. So you guys, you're getting a good product. We are supposed to put sunscreen on every day. It also helps prevent sunburn. That is so good, you guys. It also have directions and all of the ingredients in case you are allergic to anything, you guys. I love this so much. I love the fact that water is number 1 ingredients on each product, and we love that for our faces. Now we're going to start with our morning routine. I want you to take a close look at my chin. I have several bumps. I have white heads, you know those bumpy areas right there? Super white heads. I have some black heads on my nose, and my forehead have a lot of texture. I'm trying to get rid of these bumps, and I know this product is going to work. This is day 1, you guys, so let's just see what happens. I'm just going to wipe off this powder foundation I have on and start on a clean base. To start this morning routine, it simply says wet face with warm water. Dispense a dime-sized amount of cleanser onto your hand and massage it into your face with a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. You guys, one thing I can say as I'm using this product is that it is very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy and it's not thick, but you get a lot of soap, as you can see, with this cleanser, and it doesn't have any harsh smell. It doesn't have any harsh burning feeling or nothing like that. It just feels super light. But this is the first day, so we'll just see how it comes out when I do my nighttime routine and as I do it on the other days. And so far so good. It just feels clean. It feels like a very clean product. That's what it feels like as I rub it through my face. So I'm just gonna rinse this out and then I will talk to you guys with the next step. So step 2 of the morning routine says apply a dime size amount of day cream all over your face. And that's it, guys. 2 easy steps to do. And guys, this day cream has sunscreen. So you could wear this outside. You could apply this when you're going to the beach. You can apply it everywhere you go. Carry it in your purse if you have to. This is so awesome because not every product comes with sunscreen automatically, and your company give you that. So for the nighttime routine, we're simply going to follow the instructions on the card. It says, wet face with warm water, dispense a dime-sized amount of cleaner onto hand and massage onto your face with a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. This is the same cleanser we use in the morning, and then we're going to use our serum. While face is still damp, apply 3 to 4 of serum onto face, and then we're going to use number 3. Apply a dime size of night cream all over your face and go to bed while that's set on your face. First, I must remove any makeup or oils off of my face from throughout the day with a makeup wipe before I start using any of these products. Then I will wet my face with some warm water, then apply the cleanser and rub in circular motions and wash my face as usual. After I finish rinsing off the cleanser, I'm going to take number 3, which is the serum, and apply 3 to 4 drops on my face and use a circular motion to massage it into my pores. The last step of your nighttime routine is to use the number 4 night cream and apply it all over your face. This night cream is going to lock in everything you use before in your nighttime routine, you guys. Look how cute and chic this container is. You press it and the cream comes out. I find that so fascinating and cute to have in your cabinet and to just have around you whenever you need some night cream. This cream has no scent, you guys. I applied just a little bit amount onto my face and it made my face feel super soft and rejuvenated. I went to bed feeling really great. Thank you so much to Your Skincare for sponsoring this video. I am so satisfied with this company, you guys. I give it 10 out of 10 and I recommend you guys to get this product. If you do get this product, please let me know down in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you so much and be great out there. Mwah.